How to get military discount on YouTube TV. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a military discount on YouTube TV. So you can obviously get a military discount on YouTube TV if you are eligible for that. So first of all, as you can see, here's the option called try 21 days for $0. You just have to simply click on here and click on login with your email, or you can just sign up here and log in with your email, and then there will be a option called discount coupon or something like that, and here you can just paste your military ID. So to get the military ID, you have to go to id.me and verify your military ID from here, and after getting the ID from the id.me, you have to just simply copy and paste that on your purchase or sign up. So then it will show you if you are eligible, and if you are eligible, that then you can get the YouTube TV uh, military ID coupon or discount. So that's it for this video guys, see you on the next one.